Hello kids and welcome back. I have made a game here with two sprites in which what we can do, you see, this is the panda and there is ball falling from top. With my right and left key I can move the panda, and when it touches the panda it just goes back there. Otherwise it touches the ground and goes back in the top. And we have tried all these codes. When left arrow, when right arrow is clicked, what happens? And it moves forever. When on edge it will bounce. And for the ball I have just put it the code like that when it is touching the panda or the ground, I have two if then statements here. It is always going back in the top and in the random position, but the y position is set to 174. Okay, so we have already this game. What we want to do today, how we are going to understand what the score is there. If there is a game, there should be a score. How many ball does the panda catches? So for that we can create variables. Okay, I am going to make a variable. We have to name the variable as score, like, okay, so this is going to be my score, and I am going to select it for all the sprites. You can select it for this sprite only, but it's okay to select it for all the sprites. Okay, so I have this score and you can see there is score showing here. If I don't want to show it here, I can just hide it. So if it is ticked, it is going to be show here. You can see it. This is the score. Okay, now next what we do, I want this set this score to 0 when the game starts, and another thing is we are going to change the score somehow. Okay, so when my game starts it should score goes to 0. So if it's something, it is going back to 0, and change the score by 1 when. Okay, let's see if events controls if then statement. So if the panda is touching the ball, the score should change by 0 1. Okay, so let's see, let it put it here. Okay, so this is going to happen. I'm just going to start my game. Let's start my game. I'm not going to move the panda. I need to move the panda, or should the ball come by itself? Okay, I am going to give it a hand. Okay. Oh my God, it's 459 score. My God, my God. It touched only one time, but you see, as long as the ball was touching the panda, it was going to change rapidly, right? If I'm going to stop it, start it, it's going to start from 0 again. Okay, that's okay. But we have to control that it should change one only one time. So we can put some control, wait 1 second. Okay, so when score is changed by 1, it will wait 1 second until the next score is done. Let's see, let's play it. Okay, okay, you see it is changing only one time, right? 3. Okay, so that's how you can count the score by using variables. You can also make another variable, right? Make another variable, uh, loss. Okay, so it is going to make another variable that is loss. So if it is not touching panda, it is touching the ground, what should, how this score should look. So you can make as many variables to make your game interesting and count what's happening there. That's all for today. Bye bye now.